Ready? Start. Therefore, the export policy deserves to be examined on a war footing in spite of the efforts of the present finance minister and the commerce minister. It is not going up full stop. What we need is not a 10% or 20% increase in exports full stop. What we need is a 500% increase in exports full stop. Let us put all our industrialists together full stop. Let us call a meeting full stop. Let us tell them that this is country's income full stop. It is not a question of a b or c making profit full stop, but the country must get the foreign exchange full stop. What have we seen during the last 10 or 15 years question mark? None of the large houses who get industrial licenses from the government was able to generate foreign exchange full stop. It is our masons, our carpenters and craftsmen who have gone to the Middle East and to Southeast Asia and who have earned the money and sent it to India full stop. That is how this country has become rich full stop. The ultimate strength of the country still lies in the small man full stop. We have to make policies by which more foreign exchange can be earned full stop. I will now come to the much talked about FERA full stop. We hear of it only when some industrialist is arrested for a violation of Foreign Exchange Regulation Act full stop. Now this Foreign Exchange Regulation Act needs a total change full stop. There was a time when, due to ideological consideration, it was decided that foreign companies should not have more than 40% shareholding in the companies full stop. Now the companies which had 60% or 70% or 100% ownership floated their shares in the Indian market, and a lot of public money went into these companies which they sent abroad full stop. The country is poorer of foreign exchange to that extent, and the control of the company is still with them full stop. So we have achieved nothing full stop. The Foreign Exchange Regulation Act has totally failed full stop. As some members said, you come out with the news of making a whole of heroin or some other drugs full stop every 15 days or so. You come out with the news that so many crores of illegal foreign exchange has been seized full stop. Obviously we are operating an artificial exchange rate full stop. Till the artificial exchange rates exist, the exchange racket will exist full stop. No doubt the enforcement machinery is there full stop. We should give all encouragement to the enforcement machinery full stop. The ultimate solution to foreign exchange, the ultimate solution to exports lies elsewhere full stop. It lies in the fiscal policies of the government full stop. The government must have a relook at the policies full stop.